to the Swift one here. I think I'm gonna break into this bag and let's see, what kind of goodies do I have in here today? I feel like doing another review. This is a big pouch, and I will review this bag too. How about we do the 120 piece, 123 piece first aid kit. It's everything minus trauma kit, which me as a regular shooter, just going to the range, out, stuff like that, I do feel a trauma kit is something I actually should have. But this kit is actually good enough. I could keep you alive until Care Flight or the medics got there. Man, I really don't want to go through every pocket, but I will, just to show you what this consists of. This kit actually really impressed me, and that's saying a lot. And this kit was bought off of Amazon. They didn't sponsor this. I wish they would, but they didn't. But like here's your triangle bandage to wrap your head, your arm, your hands, stuff like that. That's basically just a little thin one. You got wound dressing, wound dressing, burn dressing. They're in two different packs for me. Two different burn dressing, different sizes probably. Wound dressings, adhesive eye pads, sterile gauze pads. Alright, that's it for that little clear pouch right there. I'm sorry you guys are not going to like this, because I'm actually going to take my time and put it back in, because if I don't, it ain't going to get done. My wife will wake up in the morning and be like, oh, why did you leave that mess in the kitchen? I forgot, baby, I'm sorry, don't hit me. I'm just playing. And I try to put everything loosely on the bottom, and some of this stuff is in, it's not a resealable like Ziploc bag or sticky bag or however you want to look at it, but it's still in some form of bag, plastic type bag. This next pouch right here, this is the pouch that really impressed me. I live in Ohio. There's a lot of nasty people in Ohio, but this is your mouth-to-mouth dental dam, so to say. So you can give somebody that's ODing mouth-to-mouth and not have to worry about catching anything, if you know what I'm saying. We've got 2 pairs of surgical gloves in here, which I don't understand, because like I said, this isn't a trauma kit. I'm gonna include a trauma kit into this kit. It's this medical tape, but for some reason it's in a plastic bag. I don't get that neither. Cold compress. I guess I should be careful about how hard I throw that down, huh? This is where it gets fun. Everything's in a roll in the bag at least. Alright, let this side real quick. Here's your ace bandage, sprained ankles, elbows, wrists, whatever. 2 different gauze wraps. 2 more different gauze wraps. And this is the sticky bandage. So that's all in this center pouch right here, which once again I'll put back together before I go on. And yes, I like it going by size, tallest to shortest. And you'll see why here in a minute. It actually makes it easier for packing that in. Because this is your widest, so you put it where the shortest is. This is your second widest. This is your first widest. And I kind of actually said that backwards, but y'all got what I mean. And then this one, this last little pouch. These are the surgical shears that it came with. I got this water jar in my plastic. These are the ones that they came with. I added these. Got some owie band-aids, 50 of them in there. These are lidocaine patches for, you know, bad back pain, stuff like that. This is basically your prep kit right here if you gotta do anything seriously, because this is all those. The diaper pins, I don't get that. But you have these are alcohol wipes. I need to move this again, don't I? These are alcohol wipes. These are all antiseptic cleaning wipes. Sting free too, by the way. These are all soap wipes. And here is an emergency notebook that you can just take notes in. And I believe too, here it is. I didn't even see it down there. You do get a pair of tweezers, and they're actually, I had to use them once. First thing I've used out of this kit. I had to use them once. They're actually not a bad pair of tweezers, and I'm very picky about my tweezers. You get a little golf pencil. I'm probably going to replace that with a writing in a condition pen. And this just gives you little, here, I'll read off of the back. There's treatments for bee stings. It says cold pack. There's treatments for animal bites, spinal injuries, minor bleeding, bruises, sprains, strains, burns, eye injuries. It's just a little quick reference guide. I'm assuming that's for somebody hasn't done much outdoorsy stuff, but I don't know. I don't want to criticize or disrespect anybody. I already knew everything that was in that guide. That's all I'm saying. So we'll get this part cleaned up here real quick, put it all back together again. I'm not, the case so far hasn't been too bad because I got this in the back section of I'm carrying a 50-liter bag right now as my everyday carry bug out bag. No, my firearm is not in there because I have another bag that I actually carry on my waist that I carry my firearm in. But yeah, I carry this every day, so I mean I'm pretty much covered for your everyday boo-boos and owies, and I'm pretty sure if I saw somebody with a big hole in them, I could take care of them too. But yeah, this was my little kit. Wife got it off of eBay for me. Christmas present. Don't know how much it was. Don't ask. Like I said, I do believe it's 123 pieces. I may be wrong. I know it's at least 120. I'll say that. And like I said, I do plan on adding a trauma kit to it. It folds up real nice. It zips up. Zippers. You know, I unpacked it and packed it back, and it's not packed. It's kind of, this thing was square when I first got it. It's poofed out now. But the zippers never let me down once at all. Carry it here. With another bag I have in here, which I'll do a review on that here later. Do a review on this bag here later. Might do a review on that here later. Who knows? Anyway, I made this a couple days ago, and I kind of asked at the time if anybody watched the video doing that. I think I linked the video as an annotation, something. I'm not sure how exactly I put it in there, but if you do me a favor, you subscribe, comment. I'm gonna get a hold of one lucky person, and they're gonna get that. It's a paracord, quick deploy, no tangle on a carabiner. 550 cord. Unfortunately, it does not have the fire starter thread in the center. Sorry about that. I don't even know if they had them at the time by the time I made it. But yeah, that's it for that. My little first aid kit, like I said, got off Amazon. Don't know how much it was. My wife bought it. It's at least a 120 piece kit. It's worth checking out. Yeah, you guys stay humble. Make sure every day is a good day. Wake up with a smile on your face. Ask everybody you come in contact with, are you having a good day? If one person tells you no, ask them why. Try to cheer them up. Try to make them have just as good a day as you're having. Make them appreciate what you appreciate. Other than that, Swift one, I'm out of here.